Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by installing the XML Tools plugin and verifying the file's encoding. Open Notepad++, go to Plugins Admin, search for XML Tools, click Install, and restart Notepad++. Make sure you also open the XML file so Notepad++ can detect encoding. If it's not UTF-8, note that now. Language XML gives immediate syntax highlighting, but XML Tools is what lets you format, validate, and inspect structure, so get that in place before proceeding. Once done with installation, open the file and use Pretty Print to auto-indent and wrap long lines so you can read nested structures. Make sure to run the validation command to catch mismatched tags or encoding mismatches. Validation explains why a parse fails. You can also open the XML tree view or use code folding to jump between elements, which is faster than scrolling. Make sure to check the status bar for encoding and EOL markers while you inspect the document. To finish, save a formatted copy and preserve the original encoding to avoid breaking characters. Configure preferences for fonts, tab size, and word wrap so long lines remain readable on your screen. If something goes wrong, for example the XML Tools entry is missing, run Notepad++ as administrator and reinstall via Plugins Admin or update Notepad++ to a compatible version. As a quick fallback, open the file in another editor like VS Code to validate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.